So hey guys, this is Rishikesh Sharma. In this video, we talk about the LinkedIn, how to use it, how to make ID on it, and how to request for referral to get a chance of interview in a particular company. LinkedIn is a social media network like Facebook and Instagram, but it is a professional network. Through this network, employee and companies directly connected with each other. If you not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Without taking your more time, I am sharing my laptop screen and see how it works. So first we open LinkedIn page. So this is the LinkedIn home page. So you see I already opened my account. I have 49 connection right now and 10 people who viewed my profile today. In the right side you see today's news and view. You can easily see and go through this link. And here the LinkedIn user share their certificates and the companies, their job opportunities, any event, any coding competition, hackathon, and many more. So here the students share their certificate, their personal blog, personal images. You can see here. So first we talk about how to make ID on LinkedIn. So it is a simple process. I already make on it. So for making ID on LinkedIn, you only require a email, a mobile number, and basic information. Then LinkedIn take from you. So here is my account. So here this is my profile. So I will tell you after making an ID on LinkedIn, what to do to make our profile responsive and attractive. So here this is my profile picture and this is my college name. This is your main information. You can see here, right here, a CSA engineer, web developer, Java, C, SQL, and Android Studio. So this is my skill. I know something about this. So this is your main part. A company who are surfing for a Java developer, they can see my ID easily. So this is my post. I posted some certificate got from Google Code Jam, Google Kickstart, and Indian Engineering Olympiad. So I will tell you how to grow your network. So growing your network on LinkedIn, it is not a one-day process. It takes some time to make a large number of connection on LinkedIn. So here, the Rahul Somkiwar request me to make a connection, so I accept it. This is my batchmate. So now you make another connection with anyone. At the starting time, you have to make connection more and more. Here you follow the pages like Capgemini, Unilever, and you get the notification of job opportunities. You have simply click on connect. The request is sent to the LinkedIn user. So this is the method how to grow network on LinkedIn. So now here we'll go to job. If you final year student or third year student, so here you search your skills or here you search a cities where you want to get job or internship. So I am searching app developer and the city is Hyderabad. Please enter a valid location. Okay, Hyderabad, Telangana. So full name here. So it fetches the result. So here you can see all the companies find developer. So here you have the option to apply which company you want to work with. So you can easily apply for a job. So here the messaging area, you can message someone you get connected on LinkedIn. So here now we go to the notification. If you follow companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, TCS, Infosys, Accenture, any companies not related to computer science or IT, if this company posted any job opportunities or any exam or a hackathon, simply get a notification. You can see I received some notification, your job alert. You see there is 9 new job internship in Hyderabad. This is related to my profile like Java, C, which I mentioned on my bio. Here you can see the hacker rank notification. If you follow the hacker rank or hacker earth, top coder, codeshape, if this platform organize a hackathon or a competition exam, you can get here the notification. So here the work. So we see what it was in the work. LinkedIn provides some more facilities like learning inside advertise groups. So you can join. So here I see you can join a group on LinkedIn also. I am not join any group. I request one or two. I will show you how to join a group. Here is the all group. You can join easily. Here the option of a request to join. So I click on throw the request on the owner. So here is the admin and the owner. If he get in request from me, if he accept it, then I enter in the group. Now the left is post job. So this section is only for the companies. So this is all about how to use a LinkedIn. So our last question, how to request for referral to getting a chance of interview with a particular company or your dream company. I explain you with the example. So I'm searching for a person who work with a reputed company. So here, Kushal Kumar, he is working as a software engineer at Dell EMC. So suppose I am interested in a Dell company. I am start talking with Kaushal Kumar, which is working on the company. After some messages, I am requesting him for referral. So referral is the process of getting a chance to a direct interview with the particular company through a person who work in the company. I request to Kaushal Kumar to give my referral to your HR of Dell company. So the Kaushal Kumar asked me some question and my CV, and after this if he satisfy from me, then he to his company's HR and shows my resume. If the HR selected my resume, then he called me for interview. So you can get direct interview invitation through this medium. So this is the one plus point of the LinkedIn. Connection is more important. If company posted a job which is related to my skill like Java developer, so it open my profile, then see it has only 50 connection, a 50 network, not wide, not more than 100, not 1k, not 2k. On the other hand, on the same profile, the Java developer and the other student who make their connection more than me, like 500, 600 or 1k, 10k, the company not choose me. They choose the other student because he has a wide connection. The reason is that the student who has more number of connection, which active on LinkedIn, active with their profession, and the company open their profile and surfing their internet, surfing their activity, what was is done in, and direct call or direct message or direct email the student or the person for direct interview. So this is the power of connection. I think I cover up all the topics till now. If you not make your LinkedIn ID, please make and start working on growing network. So that's all in today's video. So this is all about LinkedIn. If you have any query related to LinkedIn, you can comment. I think this video is useful for you. If you not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So bye bye, take care, see ya.